AI rappers making iOS apps shine, launching startups, yeah, we do it all the time. No more wasting days, getting it done quick. Rap fast, be the name, we the ultimate pick. Rap fast, it's a rap revolution. Swift rapping, no more confusion. Code slapping, we're the masters of speed. Rap fast, fulfilling your every need. Rap fast, moving at the speed of light. Swift boilerplate, taking flight. No more repetitive code, we breaking through. Innovate, dominate, we got the clue. AI rappers making iOS apps shine, launching startups, yeah, we do it all the time. No more wasting days, getting it done quick. Rap fast, be the name, we the ultimate pick. Rap fast, it's a rap revolution. Swift rapping, no more confusion. Code slapping, we're the masters of speed. Rap fast, fulfilling your every need.
Hello. And we are so live. I'm checking that things are working okay on Twitch. Today Twitch is working. We're making progress. What about YouTube? Where is YouTube? Your videos. I don't see my video on YouTube. Let's check this. Okay. Here it is. Oh man. So ugly. Is the chart working? I don't see Kildo's message over here. Okay, let's change the scene. Yes! We have now chat and progress bar. This is a professional streaming now. But I think I'm not receiving message. I'm speaking alone. Kildos, if you are over here, can you write something, please? Oh, hola, Brian from X. Cool. We have chat. This is working now. Wanna hide OBS. Don't wanna see myself. Can put it over here. In the chat. Sube el volumen del micro. Maybe we can bring the microphone a little bit closer. Hello, Yusuf. The music is a bit lower. I mean, it's for having background music. The chat is ready to display. Okay. Sorry, era yo. Vale. Entonces lo alejo un poco, no vaya a ser que os deje sordos. Wanna hide OBS over here. And you are seeing this. Okay. Just figuring out things. Let's do it this. Let me open type fully and publish this. How you doing, guys? How's the weekend? Okay, so hopefully we code something today, because yesterday was a bit meh, just choosing colors. So what we have been up to, we created yesterday the boilerplate. Does the chat there updates? Hi Philippe, how you doing? What do you mean? Okay, so yesterday we created the GitHub repo and we cloned the boilerplate, and we have a pretty basic template over here with 2 tabs. And works now. Okay. Then it's overlaying on the stream as well. Yeah. Okay. I think it's working now. So what are we doing today? Today we will continue and hopefully we can connect or make something with the Stripes API. But first, I want to create a simple Kanban to organize a bit things and create an icon, a simple icon to not have the wrappy here. Even this is so cool, but just a simple icon. I want to make like the stripe icon, but instead of an S, a W, and with the colors inverted, like white on the background and the W purple. Yeah, the app is only for blocking that. Well deserved. The app is about widgets for Stripe. We are going to connect and we're going to let the user generate a restricted API key so they can add like their projects from Stripe. And so we can hopefully add nice widgets like the weekly charts with the revenue or MRR, or I want to also create like the GitHub thing but with the Stripe payments. So yeah, it's pretty simple, but as you can see here, there's some challenge like consuming the Stripe API that I didn't did it before. And I've never coded iOS widgets, so we have to learn how to do it. And SwiftUI Charts, the same thing. So the plan for today is creating the Kanban, the icon, and generate a URL for letting the user to request the restricted API key with the proper permissions. And I don't think we have time, but if we have time to start it, code a service to request, to make the request to Stripe. So yeah. Bonus challenge. I've never done a live stream. Well, this is my second time, so I'm kind of experienced now. So, okay. Let me open Trello and we can create a simple Kanban to figure out a bit what we have to do. Well, create new bar, stripe widgets. What happened? Why I can't create workspace private? I can create because I have lot for the free plan. Start with the blade. No, I don't want the blade. I just want a new board. Maybe I top the free tier. We can delete this one. Close board, close. Oh, yeah. Hi Daniel, ¿cómo andas? Deberías estar programando y no aquí. Yeah, Yusuf, it is dumped directly on YouTube and they keep uploaded there. On YouTube, on Twitch, and on X. But I think on Twitch they last like 30 days or something like that. 1 month, I don't know. But yeah, on YouTube forever. If they don't delete it for copyright for music, but yesterday's stream was okay, so we'll see. Let's try widgets. Can we change the background? Board. How can we change the background? Multitasking. That doesn't even exist, my friend. Oh, Max Blade Bolt. I spent an 8-hour stream today, minimum. No, it's 7 p.m. now. It is going to last until 9 p.m. or something like that. Okay, we can move on with this background. This is like the volcano. So backlog, to do, doing, and done. Doing, we can put here actually the icon, create icon. Now we are project managers. Orders the pizzas. My girlfriend when he comes home. When she comes home. A nice trick here on Trello is that if you put here some confetti, when you move a curve to down, we have confetti, and everything is better with confetti. So let's move cards. Okay, create icon, we let it in doing. And what we have to do, okay. Restrict API key view. First we're gonna call it in the main view, and then probably we move it some other. And after that, we probably have to code the service, Stripe service. So with the restricted key, we make an authenticated request to Stripe. Can you see all that chat in one place? Is that overlay just for a stream or actually on desktop? It's overlaying on an OBS, and I have also here this from Restring, so I have the chat over here as well. This has like a 15-second delay. So here in OBS, if I open OBS, you can have to hear the me sing, and Restring Chat is a browser resource, and you put here the URL, and then it overlays the chat, and you can make it bigger or move it over there. So let's put OBS here. Where is the cursor? Oh, fuck. But it isn't free. I paid like $20 for 1 month, so I will try it and let's see what happens in 1 month. If I continue doing streams or I'm dead. Very cool, yeah. It's pretty cool. You can add up to, I don't know, maybe 20 sources or something like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So maybe I spam all the stream sources over there. Okay, let's continue. Stripe services. And when we can retrieve info from Stripe, we can actually build the home view, because for the ones that don't was here, oh fuck. Okay, I want to do this because if the app is only widgets, it can be rejected by the App Store for being too minimal. So I have to do like a home screen doing something, and I want to preview like the widgets in like a kind of a home screen, and having a settings screen for adding Stripe projects. And because the widgets are added from the home screen, so the app could only be, what happened here? OBS is after recording all streaming recording. We should know. No. Oh, I almost fucked it up. I almost closed OBS. Man, when I double click on a HEIC file, I open GIMP. Don't know why. Okay, so I have to do this kind of home view for not being rejected, basically. So after we retrieve the info from Stripe, we can start building like the home view. Home view. And after that, we can actually start building some basic widgets yeah, for example, basic widget. Cuidado con los leaks. What leaks? If I leak an API key or something like that, please call me, send me an alert. Okay, so basic widget, just to figure out how to code widgets properly. No man, I just testing things. Maybe I have to hide the chat and check it from time to time, because if there is too many messages, it's very distracting. But yeah, we are chilling so far, so no deep focus. No. I've seen that Ivars and Adam Little, they put like a Pomodoro, 25 minutes like focused, and then like 5 minutes with a break and engaging with the chat and something like that. So maybe this is an approach that I can try. Let's see. So after doing a basic widget, I figure out how to do it. We can create the revenue cap project for locking the premium, for differentiating the freemium part from the, maybe. Revenue cap. It's actually added, but I have to add the key and that things. I want to let the users to add different Stripe projects. For example, I have in Stripe, in the same account, I have the project from the Rafa's project and the Marvin project, so you can have different sources of revenues. So yeah, you have to let the user add different projects. So this can be done on the settings screen, I think. So add different projects. Stripe projects. This is quite a lot of work so far. And maybe we can start doing different widgets. Yeah man, the icon is very important. I like to have the icon when you upload the build to the App Store. It's very important having the proper icon. In fact, this is going to be very simple, so it's like a letter, a capital letter in white background. So Okay, let's type create different widgets, and then we split it, or we define what kind of widgets, what we can do, because there's like a lot of stuff we can do, like MRR, number of customers, gross revenue. I want to keep it basic for the MVP, like 4 or 5 things, and like daily, weekly, monthly, annual. Then we can do it like the menu. When you long press on the widget, there appears like the drop down with the different configuration for the widgets. How to figure out how to do it? Pasa, Joan, ¿cómo van los pollos? Create different widgets. Yeah, when we have like the UI of the widgets, we can dig into configure them, create the configurations, or configure the widgets, or different types, configure widgets. Oh, we have to figure out how to do SwiftUI Charts. This can be done in different widgets. Let's create a checklist here. SwiftUI Charts, MRR, gross revenue, different configurations, like the project source, like the project, and the time frame, or how do you call it, time frame, like weekly, daily, I don't know. That project is more fake than some screenshot. It's scientific, it's empiric. Tomorrow is going to be like 6%. Okay, configure widgets. And after this, we have basically the core feature of the app. Maybe onboarding, clean up the settings view, because so far it has a lot of stuff that we don't need, like AI's language. We don't have AI. Color scheme, yes. Yeah, create WishKit project. WishKit is for having the ability to request feature from the users. A cool project made by Martin Lasek, super cool guy. WishKit.io. Check it out, so cool. And Alessio, buongiorno, buonasera. This time coding or colors. Man, today we are making icons. Hopefully we can code like a couple lines. The title of the streaming is Building an iOS app. No coding. Building is a lot of things. Not only coding. Buonasera, amico. Okay, create WishKit project. I think we don't have to add an FAQ support blah 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 blah. Onboarding, clean up settings view. Block down. Yeah man, it's part of building. I think we can move on and we will keep adding cards when along the way, you know. Yeah, of course there are a lot of stuff like screenshots for the App Store, App Store Connect, metadata, and ASO stuff. Launch. Broadhand, Twitter, Hacker News, Reddit, and so on, so on. Let's check, for example, SwiftUI. I can get inspired by stuff we did before. We don't need signing, I think. Oh, paywall, super important. Yeah, man, I forgot about the most important thing. Where is Trejo? No, okay. Let's try widget. Can I move this over here? No. But I can start it, okay. Paywall. And we can move this close to the onboarding. Okay, I think we are good to start. This is working off. Do you think we make it in 1 week? I don't know. It depends on how many time it takes to do the stripe thing. Okay, let's open Figma. But first, we can see the stripe icon, stripe iOS icon. This one. I want to do a W, a purple W with white background. Simple. Because I don't want to receive a complaint from Stripe saying like I want to supply to, I don't know, to like scam users. But now I think Mark Lubion made an app to fake the Stripe notifications. I think it's kind of like the same icon but with like a couple of lines over here. Fake it till you make it or something like that. Fake it, yeah, it's okay. Let me plug this. 1 week is plenty of time. I don't know, man. For the shipathon I was like, man, 1 month. In 1 month I'm going to make 3 apps. And I ended up making it the last night. And crossing fingers for the App Store approval. Okay, look at this app by Marc Louvion. It's like the same icon with a couple of bars over here. This kind of the same. But yeah, I want to do like the W in purple and white background. Simple and fast, more important. Let's close type fully. That's the tweet. Let's check the tweet. Okay, here it is. Yeah. Man, Vladimir. Okay, good. Whoa, Apple Watch complications. Man, I don't want to touch the Apple Watch in a long time. I have bad experience developing my last app. But yeah, I think if this app has some kind of traction, yeah, for sure, we will add the App Store part. But for the MVP, we're going to launch just with the basic and see if we can sell a single unit at least. So, okay, let's open Figma and do a super quick icon. We can create a new whatever it is called, new design file. What is this? I cannot open a new design file. Why is everything asking to pay me today? I can't see anybody else chat message. Let me check. Oh, it's like stuck. The last message I have is okay. It's okay, it's over here. Maybe I have to refresh it. Stream chat. Refresh cache of current page. I deleted all of them. Hopefully now they are coming, the next ones. Let's see. I refresh the cache. They look like stuck. I don't know. I'm super noob doing this. Yeah, now they are coming. On the side, not on your display. Yeah, but on the overlay, they were like stuck. The last message was, it's okay, from Alessio. And there were like 8 messages missing. Yeah, we are all noobs on this. Okay, then let's open Figma. I want to open a new design file, but I can't. I am not going to upgrade to professional. So let's go to the trashy design file with all the mess all around. And we can create a frame here. 1024 by 1024. The actual size for an iOS icon for Xcode. The name of the app is super original, Widgets for Stripe. I don't know if you have a better name, but I think for the ASO it's simple and good, and it's straightforward. Widgets for Stripe, and there is nothing like this. I see. So let's see. But the project, I call it the Stripe widgets for not having the off, for making it a bit short. So let's create a W, a big W. And make it bigger, like more bigger. It depends on the font, of course. We can choose like a font that is similar to Stripe. Let's check Abarito. Classic one. I don't like it. Too sharp, you know? Outfit. I think out is better. Let's check Google Fonts and see what is trendy over here. Roboto, no, Roboto is very Android. No, cancelled. Fredoka looks good. Do I have Fredoka? Yes. Kinda like it. It's like playful with rounded corners, but it's not very similar to the Stripe one. Where it is? Stripe widget iOS. No, widget no, icon. Let's try with this, with the proper color history. What's this one? 5459. Let's check Xcode. And the assets. Yeah, 5459. Maybe black. Oh, there's no black. What is variable font access? Ooh, oh. Never seen this before. It's kind of cool. Let's check all the fonts. Sort by trending. And by trending, the very first one is robot. This is weird. You can make it Comic Sans. Poppins. This is shipping fast. Spending all the afternoon choosing fonts. Don't like it, Poppins. Lato, Inter. Roboto. Playwright, Deutschland, Grunge. I don't think I have this. Nope. Nunito. Nunito Sans, Nunito. Extra black. Kinda like it. Kinda like this one. This doesn't look centered. Have to optical center it. Rubik is a nice one. Interesting. By too narrow, I think. Let's check again. How is it called? Fedora or something like that. Fredoka. I think Fredoka is the one I like it more. Fredoka 1. Oh, Fredoka 1. I think this one looks good. I mean, it's just a pretty simple icon to do it fast and move on building the actual product. Okay, let's try this. I know if putting a bit of shadow. Yeah, maybe a bit of shadow is cool. Blue. Spread. Let's say 8. I can't see anything. It's very, very subtle. Wait. Yeah, but I think it's good. We can try with this. In the chat is stuck down. The last message, hey, sorry, I meant on the site, but on restring I see, yeah, that's it. So I think it get a bit stuck. Let me check on an actual on Twitch. How I change my stream? Channel. How I change my stream? It's stuck. Oh fuck. Okay, it's from top to my fault, my bad. It's okay. Okay, it's from top to because I'm saying it here in a different order. The first one is at the bottom, but on the streaming, I mean the last one is at the bottom here, but on the streaming is on top. So I thought it was stuck. Okay, let's go. Let's export this thing at 1x. We are going to do one regular stripe widgets icon and one for the dark styles of iOS 18 without background. Icon dark. We can do one white for the tinted mode, I think. Let's check on Xcode. No. App icon. Dark and tinted. But maybe it's better white for tinted. Let's see. What? It disappears. I think I have to or reinstall or restart the simulator. Yeah, okay. I think it's decent enough. Simple and do its job. Side widgets. And if we try dark, customize dark, it looks pretty good on dark. And tint, oh, not bad at all. I mean, this is terrific, the tinted style, but it gets tinted not very much. I think if we do it white, it gets tinted better. Okay, let's try one thing. Pokemon. Let's try this. So we instead of dark, tinted. Let's uninstall just in case and execute again. Much better, much better. Yeah, I think this one, I mean, it's horrible, but it gets tinted properly. Let's try a demoniac. Una cosa demoníaca del futuro. Dios. This is so horrible. But, I mean, it's up to you. Dark and light. Perfect. So let's commit this thing. We have icon, yeah. We can actually change the app logo with the image as well, because this logo is placed on the launch screen and somewhere on the onboarding, I think, and on the login view maybe. Let's go with this. I'm going to turn on this light. It's getting dark over here. App logo. Where is used this app logo? On the body and on the login view. And on the paywall as well. On the launch screen. Oy. Cold coffee. Okay. We have to pick a different font as well. This is a custom one, Gabarit Grotesque, Bricolage Grotesque, I think. But I wanted to make it with this one. So let's change this resource, the app logo. And the same. Rename it to app logo. And let's see if it's still working. Let's go, you are so fast. Okay, app logo. It looks so ugly. We will change it later. Let's commit this. Okay, so create icon, done, confetti, yoo! We can do now, change the font, maybe not, maybe later. it's not important now, the font, but I want to change it later. So okay, we can hide Figma. I can rename this. Create another one. And this is the regular, the dark without the background, and the tinted. Okay. Okay. Let's hide Figma. So we can move on now to create the restricted app API key. So we can make like a simple view. I mean, like the steps. Click here, accept the permissions, and like a text field to paste the API key and store it in app storage. Just simple. And for doing this, we're going to see how this guy does it in some voice. We can make like the same structure like the title at the Stripe account. I mean on the iOS view, on the home view. At the Stripe account with the steps 1, 2, 3, and a button to accept it. And the link, I don't really know exactly the permissions that we need. We can play around with it. I think customer we don't need it. Just like the charges one. I think only with the rack charge rate it will be enough for us, but we will see. Actually, we can check in the page. In the page, I created yesterday this, and you connect with a Stripe, saying generate restricted API key. And this is kind of the same use case for us, like only having the revenues and stuff. And he requests rack charge rate. So here, when the user opens the link, it is pre-filled with the name of the key, and it has read permissions on charge. And I don't know what is all connected resources, but it requires read permissions as well. We can try with this thing. Maybe it's enough. If we need more stuff, just want to add more query parameters on the URL. Rack bucket connect rate. What is this rack bucket connect rate? Where is the Stripe documentation stuff? Bucket. No. Generate a permission restricted APK. Maybe it's the permission for generating the APK. What are these globes? These balloons. These are the gestures of FaceTime HD camera reactions. Let's turn this off. But where is this? Rack bucket connect rate. It's not over here. Let's ask ChatGPT. Mention doesn't appear. The income recognizes documented. It will be internal code. Pocket connect rate. The rack URL link above will open the status dashboard on this page. Yeah. Maybe it is necessary just for creating the API key. Do you think Stripe wrappers are still relevant now? Yeah, man, they are very relevant. We are making one. We are building one, man. Okay, let's try with those parameters and see if it works. Maybe try first with only. No, this one is too much. Yeah, with only rack charge. And if it works, we move on with this. And if it doesn't work, we add this one. Let's copy this. Development notes. Dashboard Stripe APKs create name blah 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 permissions blah blah blah. What are these codes? %5b is the encoded form of the left square brackets. Okay, there are brackets. That's why Mark had this constant here. The brackets are these. Okay. Okay. So they're going to prefill this with stripe widgets, and this prefill with nope. Why not? Why is prefilling within the page? Oh, there's in the page over here. But I'm clicking this. Man, this is trolling me. The URL is name equals stripe widgets, and okay, now it's filled with stripe widgets. And how can I put a space? Can I put a space here? A space, a white space? And what is the code for white space? What is the code for white space? %20. So if I put here %20, hopefully it is prefilled with the white space. Yeah, okay. Looking good. Let's make another URL without the rack bucket connect read. Rack charge read permissions. So this is the open bracket, and this is the trailing bracket. So this is out of the parameters list. I think this is going to be mandatory. It kinda works. I don't know. But in all checkout resources, so in the page one, with the rack bucket connect read, all connect resources read, application fees, top ups and transfers. But I think we don't really need this. Let's see. Let's check if I can generate a API key. Say widget test create key. Touch ID. I'm licking my fingerprint now. New API key. Okay, I think it works. Oh, I leak in this, but I think there's no problem. It's a public key. Okay, let's delete this. Actually, I can enter on test mode, just in case. And if I paste the previous URL on test mode, it goes out of the test mode. Okay. Okay. So let's create a simple view for requesting this. Maybe just a vstack. Frameworks. Add a step back on top, and then like 2 or 3 steps. Title, bold, what about some gradient, some green color? I don't know, let's try this. Alignment, leading. Oh man, this autocompletion is kind of weird. I don't get used to it. Alignment. Max width. Why it is not aligned? No, maybe here, alignment here, leading. Okay, let's add a padding. Maybe. And maybe you can add this on the toolbar. I don't know. Let's add more things. Maybe an edge tag with the steps and an image with a number, or maybe a text, just a text. Or let's check if symbols with numbers. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe the steps with the circle fill. Images. Oh man. Don't change any resource permissions and click create key, the bottom line, and stripe edge, cover and paste the new API below. What about this? And what about a spacer here? Okay. Actually, let's make this a bit bigger. Font size, font system size. Title. If we do be tint brand gradient, nope, tint brand. Doesn't work. Foreground style, no, foreground style. It's going to be weird. I think we can try the render modes like I have on other projects, like on SwiftUI, I think. X mark, symbol rendering mode, hierarchical, and foreground style. I like it. Yeah, this looks better. This looks much better. And we can add, like, embed this in a VStack and add the proper spacing. 16. Yeah, maybe. I think we can add a button rather than having the link on the text. Like generate a restricted API key and put a button over here. Maybe hide the 2 and 3 steps and show it when the user press the button. We can do it later. We can put a button here. Maybe embed this in another vstack. What type of buttons? Rounded. Generate key. Yes, this is huge. Okay, we have to align this to the left. Alignment leading on frame. Mask width infinity, alignment leading as well. Beep, 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 beep. I'm so alone here. No, it's not working. What about alignment? Here, leading. And this is misplaced, classic one. Yes, only works for this. Okay, and this is huge. You can add padding simply, or a fixed frame, or a max width. Let's try with a max width. Max width. I don't want to autocomplete everything, just one thing. No! Man. I don't really know how to work with the autocompletion. Max width. Okay. I don't know, 200. It looks weird. To the left. I only want this. Okay. But this is not centered. We can change the corner radius here. button, round the rectangle. It's a built-in shape, okay. Max height, like 50. And if make this appeal button, I want to center this to this fish tag. Yellow. Okay, we have to make this fish tag max width infinity. So the button keeps centered. Yeah, oh man. Okay, now alignment. Now this edge tag, good background, till. Okay, and we made this max width infinity. What about the text? Alignment left. Leading. Okay, it looks cool now. Removing backgrounds, ping, ping. Okay, so the first step, generate a restricted API key and clicking the button, we move the user to the Stripe page. Let's copy this. Copycat. There's a typo here. So when we click this, what it is prompt? Click on create key. Okay. Let's add more spacing, like 20. Now a bit more height to the bottom. .24 spacing. Okay, and then in the last step, a text field. I can copy one from here. The settings view, ping, ping, ping. And we can embed this on Office tag, or maybe not. Yeah, let's embed this and put a text field here. And bind it to a state variable. API key string, restricted key. Restricted key. Create a function handle submit. And focused, maybe we need it, so let's create a focused variable, focus state. Just name it text field, private text field, focused. Okay, let's see if this compiles or what. Nope, what's the problem? The parameter, okay. But we don't need initializer, we just initialize here. Home view, restricted key, an empty string, so we can remove it from here as well. And let's declare this private. Oh, it's misplaced it now. vstack framework with infinity, and this vstack, this hstack, and this vstack. Okay, this has to be framework with I don't know why I have to put mask with infinity in all of them. It has to be a better thing to do this. Absolutely, it's not working, but maybe here. Okay, let's see the backgrounds. Okay, so the edge tag, it's taking the whole width. So alignment leading. If we put an alignment thing here, okay. And what about the text field? Type the restricted API key. Alignment leading. And we can add some sort of padding because this is to place it to the edge. We got a background of yellow. Okay, we do padding. And we can add like a gray background, but after this, what about gray opacity 0.2 and corner radius deprecated corner radius 24. Much better. Maybe 24 is too much. Maybe only 16. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good with 16. If it takes something, okay. This is enough, I think. Maybe a bit of padding over here. Or just adding spacing. 16 I think is the default, or maybe it's 8 default. Yeah, maybe it's 8 and 16. I think this is enough, and I'm going to take a pretty short break. I need to go to the bathroom. Be right back.
Rap fast, moving at the speed of light. SwiftUI boilerplate, taking flight. No more repetitive code, we breaking through. Innovate, dominate, we got the clue. AI rappers making iOS apps shine. Launching startups, yeah, we do it all the time. No more wasting days, getting it done quick. Rap fast, be the name, we the ultimate pick. Rap fast, it's a rap revolution. Swift rapping, no more confusion. Code slapping, we're the masters of speed. Rap fast, fulfilling your every need. Rap fast, moving at the speed of light. Swift you boilerplate, taking flight. No more repetitive code, we breaking through. Innovate, dominate, we got the clue. AI rappers making iOS apps shine. Launching startups, yeah, we do it all the time. No more wasting days, getting it done quick. Rap fast, be the name, we the ultimate pick. Rap fast, it's a rap revolution. Swift rapping, no more confusion. Code slapping, we're the masters of speed. Rap fast, fulfilling your every need. Rap fast, moving at the speed of light. Swift you boilerplate, taking flight. No more repetitive code, we breaking through. Innovate, dominate, we got the clue. AI rappers making iOS apps shine. Launching startups, yeah, we do it all the time. No more wasting days, getting it done quick. Rap fast, be the name, we the ultimate pick. Rap fast, it's a rap revolution. Swift rapping, no more confusion. Code slapping, we're the masters of speed. Rap fast, fulfilling your every need.
And we are so back. Let's check Twitter. What's up with Twitter? What's up in Twitter? Is everything up here? Yes. Nobody likes me. Oh, forever alone. Boiler misrepresenting. Yes. Ring over ring over ring. The Lord of the Rings. Hi Evan, what's up? How you doing, man? How is your daily vlog video thing going? Maybe you have to switch to live stream as well. Okay, let's finish something here. The plan for today was we made the Kanban, we made the icon, and we almost finished requesting the restricted API key. I would like today to get the key and actually saving it in the internal storage. No, man. Go watch the movie. What movie, by the way? Which one? I'm going to disconnect like in half an hour, something like that, and do something with my girlfriend as well. Dune, man, that is so long. I didn't watch the second part. I like it so much the first one, but I didn't watch the second part yet. I think it's like 3 hours long or something like that. My girlfriend would be slept like after 15 minutes of watching Dune. Okay, so let's see if this runs properly on the simulator. We broke something. I watched the first part with my girlfriend, but like in 3 times or something like that. I mean, I watched it entirely, full 3 times, and she needed like 3 or 4 times to end it. But I love James Villeneuve. The photography is so good. One of my favorites. Okay, this compiles. So when we hit generate key, hopefully we open a browser with the URL. And how can we do it actually on Swift? Maybe we can just commit this. Oh, what I did. I messed it up with source tree. Man. I messed it up with the UI. I need to bring this to the right. Oh, here it is. No, this is so booked. Okay. This is Stripe key UI. Thank you, man. Have fun. See you on Twitter. How to open a URL from a bottom. Let's Google this. SwiftUI with a link component. So I can't use the button. Oh no. Ah yeah, button, open URL. Alternatively, you can open a URL from code by using the open URL environment key. Button, okay, I like this one. Bye, man. Oh, and it's environment variable. This is so weird. Okay, let's check this. Environment open URL. Let's trust hacking with Swift. This man never lies. Oh, a force unpacked. Man, this is so 30. Does this work? How is the music volume? Let me check on YouTube on my mobile phone. How is the music volume? Pretty low, I think. On YouTube on my mobile phone. Yeah, I barely listen to it. I barely hear it. Let's raise it a bit. A bit of volume. And does this work? Oh yes, cool, man. But we are making the user leave our app. But I mean, I think there is no much problem. But maybe it would be better just like open a sheet or something like that, like a web view. But I mean, this is maybe faster and it does the job. Generate a key, bang, and go back to Start Widgets and paste it here. Let's try the actual URL. I think I have it over here. This one. Yes, this one. We're making progress, my friends. Okay, generate key. Okay, not sign anything in Stripe, but I can test this in my iPhone. Let's plug it so you can see it. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Where I have to open Vessel. And here is my phone. So, okay, let's execute the app on my phone, on my actual phone. So I sign it in my Stripe account. And hopefully we can create a restricted API key and close the ticket. Woohoo. No, maybe when we storage in the user defaults. Oh, it's not compiling. What the hell? Missing restricted key. Ah man, it's Xcode fooling me. Xcode. Trashy Xcode. What a classic one, ¿eh? ¿Qué pasa, Miguel? ¿Cómo andamos? ¿Qué haces un sábado a estas horas viéndome a mí? En vez de estar por ahí. Okay. In dark mode, this looks good, to be honest. Generate key and okay. I think I'm not leaking my password. Let's keep this out of the screen just in case. Let's sign in. Okay, now we can continue the authentication. Face ID. I'm licking my face. Oh, this is so tiny, but it does the work. Okay, so it opens the form, the permissions form with pre-filled, the read permissions over here. Yeah, read permissions on charts, and it takes the project rather fast. How can I select the proper project where I create the API key? Just open the default one. Or can I specify it in the URL parameter? Maybe this is going to be a problem when we want to add different projects for having the revenue from different projects. But maybe what happens if I change Rafas for Marvin? Does it keep the form? Oh yeah, cool. Cool. That's perfect. Okay, maybe we have to add like a view explaining these kind of things when we have all the app ready, or some tooltips or something like that. Okay, so for adding a different project, just you tap on the hamburger menu and change the project. So you create the restricted API key for that project, and you just scroll down, create key, and I'm going to hide this just in case, and continue, Face ID again. Yeah, then we have the new API key. I can show you this to you. This will be the restricted API key. So the user have to actually, okay, tap and copy it to the clipboard. So when it is copied to the clipboard, we go back to Stripe widgets and we just paste here. We can actually code a button for paste here, or maybe when the app enters foreground, checks the clipboard and fill it if the string on the clipboard starts for RK or something like that. So yeah, we passed it here. How can I go to the beginning? Man, this is so long. This is so long. I want to go to the beginning. Okay, RK live, blah 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 blah. So we can do one thing. When the app enters foreground, check the clipboard, and if the string starts by RK live, paste it automatically. But we are going to save it first on the app storage. Okay, I can unplug this. Bye bye. Bye bye, JJ iPhone. A tope, llevo 3 semanas aprendiendo SwiftUI y una fronta saquísimo. Ah, estás aprendiendo SwiftUI aún. Creía que que vivías, sé que eras programador ya de esto. Pues nada, tío, fuerza y ánimo. Ya verás cómo es divertido, hombre, aprender SwiftUI, la verdad. Mientras funcionan las cosas. Luego cuando pasan cosas raras con Xcode ya es otra cosa. Okay, can we commit something? Yes, this. Open. Vale. UIKit. Sí, hombre, yo también empecé con UIKit, pero bueno, poco a poco. O sea, ya hace años que no toco UIKit, la verdad. Pero me imagino que en proyectos por ahí legacy y cosas así se seguirá usando mucho. ¿Qué remedio? Si tengo que hacer ahora un translate auto resizing más into constraints y hacer UI así, no sabría, me costaría muchísimo. Hace la hostia que no hago UIKit. Okay. What we have to do here? Okay. Make this like a constant or something like that. Maybe in the constants file. We need to fill this info as well. So maybe we can put here static let restricted key URL, restricted API, restricted stripe API key URL. Actually, let's make this common case. No, URL on string, dude. Because in the home view it takes URL and okay, URL, yes. Let's paste this here, permissions, rack charge, stripe widgets, blah 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 blah. So let's copy this. And here const don't like that forced unpacked, but how can we see if guy doing it? So I don't know. Maybe warlet open warlet URL equals to const dot URL as return and put here URL. So now at least it's safe. If the URL doesn't exist, the pill button doesn't do anything, and no problem. At least it doesn't break. the app. Displays a log here. Logger.log. Man, fucking auto completion. Oh, log. Come on. Oh, this one. Using the string as URL without unwrapping is living life without. I mean, I guess if this guy uses unpacked, maybe there's no problem. But what if Stripes change the URL and it doesn't exist anymore? Does the app break? I don't know. I don't want to figure it out and break the app in production. So let's execute this. Bam. Okay, let's save this. Let's commit and push. Open Stripe URL. Enough. And now we have to make another button to save the thing. Maybe at the bottom, a large button. At the bottom, a button. Petal, button, title color. Save key. Xcode is so fast. Holy shit. Actually, I'm gonna make it a trailing closure. Doesn't this have a default color on the initializer? Oh. I don't know if I actually really like the pill shape buttons. Maybe we change it to rounded. But so far I'm going to leave it as it is. Maybe a bit shorter, a bit small. And the new auto completion is so weird. I don't get used to it. Mass height. Okay. 80. Mm-hmm. 60. Oh, it doesn't change. Okay, it's changing. 50. Maybe 50 is enough. But it doesn't have the tab view here. Let's check how it looks on a proper view. Okay. Generate key. Sign in, boom, generate the proper key, copy, go back to here, paste it, and save. So let's make that when we tap the button, save, the restricted key string. Maybe we need to do some checks like standing by RK Live or something like that. Hombre, José, ¿cuánto tiempo, amigo? You can't call Saturday without it. Realmente, ¿qué coño hago programando un sábado por la noche, sabes? No programar con estrella, directamente no programar. Pero bueno, es lo que hay que darle. Nada, voy a cortar ya ahora. Guardamos aquí el text field el internal storage y a tomar por culo. Cortamos ya. So are actually all the generated keys starting by RK Live? Maybe not, or maybe they change it in the future. Because when I hit create key, let's hide this a second. Activate authenticator. What's up, blood bro? You're joining late. I'm going to finish in few minutes. I'm just authenticating Stripe and double check that I don't leak it, anything. Okay. So when we generate the restricted key, I think all start by RK underscore live, blah 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 blah. So maybe we can check this, or maybe we can go YOLO and don't check actually anything and save it, and it's up to you. If you paste another thing, I don't know, later the request will fail, so we can prompt some kind of error message later, like generate another key or something like that. Man, I'm going to leak, I don't know, everything because the first time doing streams and I'm not used to hide things, you know. Yeah, Miguel, I'm streaming on Twitch, on X, on Twitter, and on YouTube. I'm using this thing. Let's bring it to the screen. I'm using this restream.io. So actually from OBS, from OBS, I'm actually streaming to restream and restreams to the destinations you configured here. So I have configured X, Twitter, and YouTube. I can actually stream to LinkedIn, to TikTok, to Instagram, so maybe I can expand the whole internet. But you have to pay like $20 for this. It's a free trial for 2 sources, but I mean, I wanted to stream as well to X, so I paid like $20 for 1 month, and let's see. Let's see if I like it and I pay the annual, or I don't do streams anymore, and I just pay 1 month. How can I see the chat again? Gracias, José. A ver qué tal. A ver qué tal esto. Okay, Vlad, so I'm leaking this key, but there's no problem. It's just a key for reading the charts. Actually, if you copy this key, you can read the revenue from fast. But it's public on the Shift leaderboard, so I don't care. So just save this on the app storage on user defaults, and let's see later if we double check something, if we need it, or just YOLO. So how was the app storage thing? I think it was app storage like bar. Actually, I have one over here, I think. Okay. Restricted, but we want to save several keys for different projects, so maybe we need an array or something like that, but we change it later. Restricted API key. Depending on the answers type at the URL, at my company we did an in-app web view and listener to... Yeah, that will be super cool to do, but I mean, for moving fast, I think I don't need to listen to that responses from Stripe or something like that. Just, I mean, generate the key, copy, paste, and move on. If this has some kind of success, we can refine it later. I mean, if the user doesn't paste a key and paste like another random string because he messed it, the request fails and we prompt an error message, and I don't know. Let's see. So restricted API key, it's correct. App started. So here, you can check that it's not empty at least, or maybe disable the button when it is empty. Is restricted API key. Man. Restricted API, restricted Stripe API key. It's so confusing, this was no problem. let's rename this like restricted key string or something like that, just to differentiate from the issue of the false one, because it's a bit confusing. It's in the description, man. The IP is about widgets for Stripe. So the user generates a restricted API key from the Stripe project, and then you can add widgets to the home screen on your iPhone or in macOS, because since the last version of macOS, you can have the same widgets that you have on the iPhone, you can have it on the desktop. So yeah, you generate an API key, just quick read permissions to the revenue and stuff. And I want to build like small widgets, medium, large, and with graphs and something like that. And one type of the contribution graph with the sales. So maybe playing with opacity, if you have one sale that day, fill the tile with, I don't know, 0.2 opacity, and you make like 3 sales or 5 sales. Put the opacity like 0.7, and yeah, that's it. Pretty simple one. But you can't make an app just with widgets and upload to the App Store, because it's going to be rejected for being too minimal. So we have to do like a home screen previewing the widgets or something like that, with some sort of minimal functionality. Like there was a guy that made a widgets app for like playing music with a disc turning around. I don't know if I have it installed. Yeah, widget bits. I'm going to plug the iPhone so you can see. So this one, widget bits, is an app only based on widgets, but they have this screen. I want to do basically the same. Actually, I made like this mock-up founder mode. I have a picture here. A founder mode mock-up, and this is actually the same that this guy did. Yeah, I mean, having the scroll with the sizes and scrolling the small one. Okay, this is like this different sizes. Yeah, maybe I can do the same. In a first approach, I draw like all the small widgets here, all the mediums here, all the large here. But maybe this approach is better, like a type of widget here. But yeah, but the large one, how do you put it here? The large one is super big, so the row is gonna be like double of this. Or maybe I don't do the large one, I'm only small and medium. This is another option. We will see. Yeah, this app came out like when the interactive widgets came out in iOS 17, maybe. And this guy, on the release date, he made this app. Kinda cool. And there's another one, Countly, made by Florian Bates or Florian Bates, or I don't know how it pronounced Bates in German. Florian and Jack. he made this one, Countly, which is an app for displaying widgets with your Twitter followers. And they got rejected for being too minimal. I mean, there was only like widgets. And I think they had to do like this, having the previews, a view with previews, and just to pass the review, because the main functionality is only widget, which is out of the proper app, you know. You add it from the home screen. So I'm gonna sign in here. Hopefully I don't link any password. I think it's going to be all, but just in case. I think it's gonna be obfuscated all, but okay, let's log in. The authentication code, there's no problem with this. No, the API, no. Man. Go back, sign in. Wait a second. Boom, boom. Enter the code. Verification code. Okay. Authorize app. I'm hiding this with my camera now that I see. Okay, so they made like this view for passing the review, but I think it's kind of broken because the last the last time that I had this installed, I was at 1,757 followers, and now I have almost 6K, and I broke the app. How can I refresh this? Let's add this widget here and see what happens. Edit, add widget, Countly. As you can see from the Stripe official app, there's no widgets, but soon there will be. Countly. Followers, add widget. Okay, the last one I was at 3,000. So if I refresh, yeah, 5,860. Okay, so that's it. So let's save this on the app storage. Let's put a log. Log. And we are going to make on appear just to debug and see if in the next run it is properly saved. Pasa, Joan. ¿Cómo van los pollos? Consígueme esos huevitos del cero, que me vas a mandar. Yo acepto regalos, Pero mándame los del 0, no me mandes los del 3, de esas gallinas que tienes ahí hacinadas por Mallorca. Restricted key. No, restricted API key. Mándamelos por correo, hombre. Bien embalados ahí, que no rompan. Y unas ensaimadas de paso. Aunque no sé si son solo de Mallorca, si en Menorca también las hacéis. Imagino que sí, ¿no? Okay, let's run this on my iPhone for let's run this on the iPhone. Te queda más cerca, Philip. I'm going to end the stream right now. Just check that the key is saved in the app storage, in the iPhone storage, and commit, and see you tomorrow. See you later, alligator. Actually, we did all the plan that I had for today. We made like on a quick Kanban, the icon, and requesting the restricted API key. And this was in doubt, starting the Stripes API service, but we are not going to have time to do this because I like the strange habit. I have the strange habit of sleep. And my girlfriend is gonna kill me if I don't end the stream soon. You wanna see the test hub? It's here. We filled our tile today. And it's going to explode if I keep filling it so hard. Let's build now. Okay. Build failed. What happened? We changed the name. Hello, YouTube. Let's go. See you in the Wi-Fi. Have you done any stream, any other stream, or just the one the other day? El otro gallego, invasión. A invasión da Galiza para conquistar os españois. Okay, let's go. Actually, we can just type here something because where is the on appear? The on appear. Okay, log save restricted key. It has to be empty string. Where is the debug? Man, I had to remove all the revenue cut thing. It's printing all the. Okay, it's empty. If I run again, it's empty again, I hope. Si te oye cansado, primo, ya, macho, estoy, la verdad, hoy un poco cansadillo. Ya llevamos aquí, ¿cuánto, tío? 2 horas y pico. No sé cómo puedo verlo. 2 horas 40. Te fumaste un porro. Con mi madre la cervecera. Okay, so is the key empty? A lot of, yes, it's empty. Entonces, if we save here, kill2 rata, save key. Okay, it doesn't dismiss the keyboard yet, but in the next run, it should be saved, hopefully. Yeah, save restricted key, kill2 rata. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And we can do one more and last thing, which is disabled if restricted key string is empty, disabled. I think this is the proper logic. I always mess up with the booleans. Boom, 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 boom. Max Blade is happy. Max Blade needs a haircut. Come on, let's go, boy. Okay, it's disabled. And if we type something, blah, 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 it's enabled. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I think this is enough for today. Let's check the source control. Home view, boom, 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 the text field, the stuff, the pill button, save key. And the string. Okay, let's commit this. Meaningful git commits. And okay, guys, I think this is it. This is enough for today. 9:30 p.m. over here, so time to have dinner and spend some lovely time with girlfriend and continue tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we'll call the API, the service to query to make requests to Stripe API. This is going to be a tricky one because the objects that comes from Stripe, maybe they are huge. I don't know actually what we need, so we'll figure it out tomorrow. So let's end this thing here. See you guys. See you tomorrow. See you later, alligator. Bye bye. Hasta mañana. Dei calor, raparigo.